Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is all about how to create a custom list in SharePoint. So, we have lots of reason to use a custom list in SharePoint. Let me show you the way how can we do that. First of all, we have to click on this setting and we'll find an option which is add an app. Click on it and you will get a page that is, there is a second option is custom list. So, we have to click on this. I have to put a name. I'm giving testing and click on the create button, and in the site content you will find your list. So I'm finding my one which is testing. Click on this and here is a list. Well, a column which is name title is already inbuilt. If we want to create more column, then we have to go to the list setting, scroll down to the column, and here is option which is create column. So I have to click on this and we have to put a name. I'm giving name as a column name. So it's a single line text because in name we just need one single line. So I'm giving there's lots of choice. You can choose what you want. I'm choosing the single line text because now I want it. So I'm click on OK and your one column is created. I'm creating another column which is I'm giving number, and I have to choose the number one. You can see I'm click on it and then OK. I can create a checkbox also. For this I have to create a column, another one, create the column. I'm giving the name active and here is a checkbox, yes or no. You can see I have to click on it and then OK. So again I'm going to my list and here is your list. Let's create some entry for this. In the title which is inbuilt, I have to give one. I'm giving the name and in the name I'm giving my name and number, and here is a checkbox. If you are active then yes, if you are not then no. You can see that I'm active, so I'm giving the yes one and then save this. See, here is the first entry. When all done, then stop the editing because your list is ready. Now if you want to delete this list, then for this you have to go to the settings option and then again list settings, and here you can see here is option that is delete this list, and if you want to delete this then delete this list option. You will get a window and here we can see that are you sure you want to send this list to recycle bin? There is, you have to click is OK if you want to delete. If you're not, then cancel it. I want to delete this list, so I'm just clicking the OK button and your list and your app is no longer here. So here is a way how to create a list. So if you find this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel. So see you in the next tutorial.